500 some hours. High flow, closed cab, air conditioning. Radio, backup camera, catching rain, 14 plug electric, 2-speed backup camera. It does have brand new wide tracks, KUBOTA. We just put them on. We took those tracks and we sell the old ones. It does have a KUBOTA bucket with a bolt-on cut down, side covers. It is a high capacity bucket. Very, very nice. Not beat up, banged up. It's got big time warranty on it. 4,000 hour KUBOTA warranty on it. It's got 500 some hours. Like I said, we just put brand new, wide, expensive KUBOTA rubber tracks on it. Hydraulic disconnect, half of it. No banged up or anything. Hey, Jay. Not beat up, banged up at all. Rear end, very nice. It's got your backup camera. It sounds like it's got your heavy lock up in. There's your hydraulic disconnect. You see it's got bottle paint. There's it's not wore out, no stretch or abused. It could be wore out, but it's not abused at all.